This is at Animal Kingdom that we're seeing these. There's a t-shirt there with that design. And you got the ears, they're 37. Here are the ears. If we come down here, we have a Happy Halloween sweatshirt. Baby items, kids' clothes. There is a Dracula Mickey. Got some bat ears. And we have the mini dress. Another Mickey sweatshirt. We got Donald being angry over candy there. So My First Halloween, Stitch, and then this guy. On this wall we have Mickey hockey jerseys, both with the pumpkin and the vampire Mickey. Got a selection of Crocs. This year it's black. A sweatshirt here, some flannel pants, same sweatshirt, Happy Halloween blanket. Let's see what this one looks like. That's what the design looks like for the plaid. The sweatshirt, meanwhile, is $70. And they're selling the famous Mickey light-up wreath that you'll find all around Magic Kingdom. And here is a Spirit jersey. Let's see what it looks like. Walt Disney World. Very nice. The price on that Spirit jersey this year, not sure, it doesn't say, but we have these light up ears on off for the not so scary Halloween party. Some Mickey fall pumpkin light up ears. Looking at the Cutie Ghost shoulder pals. Some different Cutie Ghost ears for $37. We got some mugs, and the Hey Boo mugs are $20. Got tumblers, and they are, I don't know what they are, but you got the straw thing right there. Actually, the tumblers here, they're $50. And then I just want to work over here. You got all these light up things here. $80 for that one. The signature home thing is $35. Does a bit plastic. And then this one up here, signature home, is also $70. But you can light that up and make quite a Halloween festival. We got Squishmallows here. Squishmallow for the Cutie Ghost. Got pajamas, blanket down there. There's the baseball jersey. Walt Disney World, 1971. And the baseball jersey. And the price on this here baseball jersey is $80. There's a Mickey Mouse trick-or-treat bucket for $25. Trick-or-treat candy. Got this guy right here. $35 on that one. We have a Halloween countdown calendar to 13 with Winnie the Pooh. Oh look, you need the bee every day. Happy Halloween. Another countdown calendar with toy surprises. See Stitch, Pluto, Mickey, Minnie, Mickey Pumpkin, Daisy. $50 for that. And then coming over here, we got salted caramel hot cocoa, sour gummy worms in this mini. We have a selection of picture frames, Happy Halloween ornament, got a mug, mini with the Mickey lamppost like they have at the Magic Kingdom. Oh, and there are the mugs there. And those blankets again. And looking here, we got Boo to You, musical light up pumpkin. Right there. And a mini version as well. And we got candy corn and pumpkin. Light strands. They say Happy Halloween on them. And there's that famous Mickey pumpkin wreath again. Also have this t-shirt. $29.99 if you buy two. And they have the Walt Disney World fall design. Which you'll see right here. And that design. And the Magic Potions villains design. And the Jack Skellington. And that one with the Headless Horseman and a very scared Mickey. And Pooh up there too. And we're all clueless. This is the Starbucks Fall. $55 for this thing. Enjoy fall at Walt Disney World. Starbucks Coffee Company. Seattle, Washington. Enjoy pumpkin spice at Walt Disney World. Starbucks. Here's some Disney Halloween pins. You get Mickey with the trick-or-treat bag. Chip and Dale. Double pumpkin heads. You got that Mickey pumpkin wreath. Stitch. Here's some more food. We got Mickey Rice Krispie treats in Halloween orange and brown. And what are these? Hello, Sour Gorgeous, sour gummy worms. That's fun. There they are. And we got, what's down here? Pretzels, pumpkin spice frosted pretzels. How much are those pumpkin spice frosted pretzels? Oh, doesn't say. But there you go. There's some nice orange and black and brown sprinkling. There's the Halloween tote. $30 with purchase of $40 or more. Happy Halloween. And we also have Stitch in a Halloween costume. And I don't know if that's Baker Mickey, if that's for Halloween or not. But there you go. And you got a Pizza Mickey.
And Pizza Mickey.
Pizza Mickey. Woo. We do have a slap bracelet up here, though. That didn't work.
That is how not to use
Let's
a
try
slap
it again.
bracelet.
Slap bracelet time. Yeah.
Yay.
While this video was mostly at the Animal Kingdom, we made a quick stop at Port Orleans Riverside to check out the gift shop there. They had this Cutie Ghost fog machine and bubble machine, which would be pretty awesome, I would think, for your Halloween party. So there's that item there. We also got a look at a Mickey pumpkin change purse. And to wrap it up, we took a couple looks at the Halloween bags as well. Hope you enjoyed this video of the early Halloween items at Walt Disney World, Animal Kingdom, Port Orleans there. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you all for watching. And here is another look at the Happy Halloween tote. $30. The purchase of $40 or more. It does have a zipper. Happy Halloween 2026.